Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm going to show you a wonderful potato roast using onion and garlic masala from Healthy Panda. Healthy Panda is 100% natural and wonderful range of masalas, pudis and kashaya powders that they sell on Flipkart, Amazon, and you can also visit their website. They are from Belgaum and they prepare all these wonderful masalas and authentic masalas which are homespun recipes. So it is very nice and authentic. It's very difficult to come across such masalas which are authentic and it has got that original flavor and taste. So these are all homebound masala recipes that they have created and they are selling it online. I'll post all the links in the description box below this video. It does not contain any preservatives, colors or food additives. Here I've boiled the baby potatoes, peeled it and heated a wok, added 2 tablespoons of oil and added my baby potatoes to it. So I'm going to fry the baby potatoes for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. As you keep stirring gently and fry the baby potatoes, it will turn crispy and then we can add the masala. This particular onion and garlic masala, you can use it as a condiment for vada paos. You can also prepare stuffed brinjal. You can prepare stuffed bhindi. You can prepare stuffed gravies using the same masala. So it's a versatile masala. And I really like the flavor and taste. It was very nice and authentic. You cannot, not every day I come across brands that prepare authentic masalas. So I can tell for sure that this masala is a home spun recipe because these masalas only mothers and grandmothers used to prepare at home. So I've added the onion garlic masala powder, about 2 to 3 tablespoons for the baby potatoes, and I kept stir frying it. So I've used approximately 300 grams of baby potatoes. I kept stir frying the baby potatoes till it was nice and crispy and the masala has cooked well. Now in this vada paos also you can see there is a typical Maharashtrian masala powder where they sprinkle on the vada pav and they serve it. It's that authentic sort of a masala powder that they have prepared. Now I've added curry leaves. You can add chilies, green chilies if you like it spicy. I'm just going to adjust a little bit of salt, stir fry this again, add some lime juice and serve my baby potato roast. So it was that simple. It was perfect combo for my curd rice. So do give this product a try friends. I highly recommend it. All the links and more information will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. In the blog I posted a detailed recipe and more information about the product. So do visit my blog and other social media handle links. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.